Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and discover trending TikTok videos. Finding and knowing trending TikTok videos will enable you to get content ideas that you can use to create your own TikTok videos. So guys, it's actually important to know trending TikTok videos so you'll be able to grow your followers, your engagement, likes and share on your TikTok account. One of the ways we do look for trending TikTok videos is by following top influencers and top creators, because you know that top influencers often know what sound or music is going to be popular. So by tracking top influencers, you'll be able to jump on new emerging trends and improve your chance of becoming the next big creator. But in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys a method that is different from just following top influencers. So guys, want to know how to track trending TikTok videos that are popular on TikTok? Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your browser. Whichever browser you're using, whether it's Chrome, Phoenix or Pramini, just tap on it to open it. I'm going to be tapping on Chrome because I'm using Chrome for this tutorial. So let me tap on it. So guys, once your browser opens up, what you have to search for is TikTok Creative Center. So let me search for it. TikTok Creative Center. Then you search for it. So guys, you can see here we have so many results over here. What you have to do is to tap on the first option. You can see the first option over there, Creative Center, one-stop creative solution for TikTok. All you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on mine. So guys, this is the platform where you can actually do the magic of actually knowing the trending TikTok videos. So guys, you can see what is written here. Let's elevate your whole creative game. So guys, the next step that you have to take is to tap on trends. You can see where it is written trends, hot content. You tap on it. So guys, it's loading up. Sorry guys, the internet connection over here is kind of slow. So guys, we are here now. You can see what is written here. Browse what is trending now. Find what performs well on TikTok and better engage with your audience. So guys, there is something important I'll be telling you before the end of this video. Just make sure you watch to the end. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to go over to this section over here. You can see this section. Here we have hashtags, trending songs, trending creators and trending TikTok videos. As you can see now, is on trending hashtags. That's why if you scroll downwards, you're going to see trending hashtags over here. These are trending hashtags on TikTok. So guys, but this video is about trending TikTok videos. So what you have to do is to tap on TikTok videos. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. Wow guys, you can see that immediately we switched over to TikTok videos. There is no longer hashtags here. These are now the trending TikTok videos that we have. You can see them. These are videos that are actually trending on TikTok right now. You can see. You can actually click on the video to hear what they are saying, or to hear the TikTok song that they actually used in their TikTok videos to actually use them. Or you can also watch the video in order to get content ideas. Let's get to play one of this video. Let's just tap on this one over here. You can see down below more videos are loading. So guys, can see this is actually a trending funny video where three women are trying to make a baby to eat. So guys, can actually use this idea to create content on your TikTok videos. So guys, the next thing I want to show you now is the important thing I said I was going to tell you. If you check through this video are video from the United States. You can see there are videos from United States. If you play the video, you're going to get to find out that they are all from United States. So guys, you can see where it is written United States. This is where you can change this search to your own country. In case you're from Nigeria, you're from France, you're from Japan, or you're from China, you can actually change this search to your own country. So you'll be able to find trending TikTok videos in your country. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on it. Tap on where it is written United States. You can tap on it. So guys, you can see here we have so many countries over here. You can see them. These are the countries that we have. You can actually search a country over here, the search icon. Let me tap on it. Let me search for Spain. So guys, can see now we have Spain. So let me tap on it. So guys, now let's get to check the TikTok videos. Now we've changed the country from United States to Spain. So guys, you can see the videos over here. You can see that the videos has actually changed. These are the trending videos in Spain. You can see them. You can see the videos. These videos are trending now in Spain. So guys, let's get to play one of the videos. Which are we going to play now? Okay, let's play this one over here. In case you're from Spain, you can actually look through this content to get content ideas. So guys, let's get to play one of the video. Let's tap on this one over here.
Hoy toca la merienda, tercer programa. Debe decir a mis concursantes, por favor, que vayan entrando. La he visto hablando.
So guys, I believe you hear the sound of the TikTok videos and you can actually see that they are actually speaking Spanish, which is a proof that this video is actually trending in TikTok and is a TikTok video from Spain. So let me show you guys two more important stuffs. You can actually narrow these trending TikTok videos according to likes, share and comment. You can know the videos that have had more likes, more shares and more comments. So guys, for you to do that, you have to tap on that section. You can see that drop down icon over there. You tap on it. So guys, you can see now you can narrow it to either the one that has the most likes, the one that has the most comments, the one that has the most shares. The TikTok videos that we just saw, those ones that we just saw now, the trending TikTok videos, they are under the hot section. You can see they are actually hot trending TikTok videos. So guys, now let's tap on likes so that we're going to know the TikTok videos that has the most likes. So let's tap on it. So guys, you can see it's loading up. So guys, you can see these are the trending TikTok videos according to likes. You can see them here. You can see these are the videos that has more likes on TikTok. So guys, one more thing, these TikTok videos we've seen now, they are the videos that are trending in the last 7 days. You can actually make it broader. If you want to get to know the videos that are trending in the last 120 days or in the last 30 days, you can actually search it out. All you have to do is to tap on the drop down icon there. You can see that section over there. You tap on it. You can see now you can narrow this search to the last 30 days. So let me tap on it. You're going to see that the videos are actually going to change. So guys, you can now see that the list for the trending TikTok videos has actually changed. The search that we make under the last 7 days was different from this one because this video wasn't there and this one wasn't there either. You can see the video has actually changed. You can see that the list has actually changed. This is so awesome. So guys, this is how you can actually go about this platform to find trending TikTok videos. You can narrow it down to the last 30 days, to the last 7 days. You can also choose them according to likes, comments and shares, and you can also narrow it down to your own country. So guys, this is how you can actually find or browse trending TikTok videos, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, see you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.